Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Accessibility, then choose Display and Text Size. Once there, look for Increase Contrast and Reduce White Point. These directly affect perceived contrast. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and bright enough. If dim, swipe down for Control Center and raise brightness first. This speeds testing because you need visible changes as you toggle options. Also check whether bold text or lighter colors are already set. Those change how contrast adjustments behave, so note their state before you proceed. Now adjust the specific controls. Toggle Increase Contrast to make interface elements stand out more. This reduces transparency and can clarify text. Next, enable Reduce White Point and drag the slider to cut down screen glare. Move it gradually until contrast is comfortable. If text still blends with background, try bold text or color filters. Color filters can isolate hues and improve legibility. Take short breaks and test with the apps you use most, because contrast that helps one app can hinder another. Finish by reviewing the look across mail, messages, and web pages. Make small adjustments until text and controls feel distinct. Once done, lock and wake the iPhone to confirm settings persist, and make note of any app where contrast seems wrong so you can tweak only that control. If a toggle has no visible effect, restart the iPhone and check for pending iOS updates. Sometimes system updates change accessibility behavior. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings rather than all settings to avoid losing other customizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.